Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the 2025 Baby Lambo, Lamborghini's latest masterpiece, designed to bring that iconic Italian luxury and performance to a more compact, yet no less thrilling package. If you're a fan of precision engineering, striking design, and adrenaline-pumping performance, you're going to want to stick around for this one. Right away, you can tell this car is pure Lamborghini. The sharp, angular lines, aggressive front fascia, and iconic Y-shaped headlights all scream power and prestige. Lamborghini has managed to pack the DNA of their larger supercars into a smaller frame without compromising on the Y factor. The wide stance and low profile give it an unmistakable presence on the road, while functional aerodynamics like the active rear spoiler and sculpted air intakes ensure it's as fast as it looks. These wheels, 21-inch forged alloys, perfectly complement the car's dynamic silhouette. Absolutely stunning. From the rear, you'll notice the familiar Lamborghini quad exhaust setup integrated into a sleek diffuser, and the taillights feature that same Y-shaped motif we saw up front. And for the 2025 model, Lamborghini has introduced a new range of colors, including this incredible matte silver finish with subtle metallic flecks that shimmer under the light. It's a rolling work of art. Now let's talk about the interior. This is where Lamborghini has really outdone themselves. The cabin is a blend of cutting-edge technology and driver-focused design. The first thing you notice is the digital cockpit, fully customizable and ultra-crisp, giving you everything from navigation to performance stats at a glance. And then there's the infotainment system, sleek, intuitive, and equipped with premium Alcantara and leather upholstery, complete with contrast stitching, wrap you in luxury, while the minimalist design keeps everything within easy reach. Even the steering wheel is a masterpiece, featuring integrated controls for the drive modes, which we'll get to in just a moment. The seats are perfectly bolstered, keeping you secure during spirited drives, yet comfortable enough for long journeys. And the carbon fiber trim accents throughout the cabin add that extra touch of sporty elegance. For those wondering about practicality, there's a surprising amount of storage space for a car in this class. It's small, but functional. That, my friends, is the heart of the Baby Lambo, a twin turbocharged V6 hybrid powertrain. It churns out a jaw-dropping 650 horsepower, propelling this beauty from 0 to 60 in just 3.2 seconds. Top speed, a blistering 200 miles per hour, and thanks to the hybrid system, you also get impressive efficiency for a car in this category. Lamborghini has tuned the system to provide instant torque, making it not just fast, but also incredibly responsive. And with the new all-wheel drive setup, this car delivers unmatched traction and handling on any surface. Out on the road, the Baby Lambo is an absolute thrill. Whether you're cruising in Strada mode for a more relaxed ride or switching to Corsa for maximum performance, it adapts beautifully to your driving style. The steering is razor-sharp, the suspension is firm but not harsh, and the brakes are confidence-inspiring, ensuring you're always in control. And let's not forget the soundtrack. This engine roars in a way that only a Lamborghini can. Finally, let's talk pricing. The 2025 Baby Lambo starts at around $220,000, making it one of the most accessible models in Lamborghini's lineup. Of course, with all the customization options available, that price can climb quickly. But if you're looking for a car that combines luxury, performance, and exclusivity in a slightly more compact package, this is it. So, what do you think of the 2025 Baby Lambo? Does it live up to the Lamborghini name? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing car content. Until next time, drive safe and stay passionate about cars.